8 chairs. 8 chairs and 5 tables. Online also, hope everyone can see the screen, no? Tejashree, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For a classroom, cost rupees 10,500, while 5 chairs and 3 tables cost rupees 6,450. Find the cost of each chair and that of each table. So there are 8 chairs and 5 tables, and the total cost for 8 chairs and 5 tables in the for a classroom it is 10,500, while 5 chairs and 3 tables together it is 6,450. Now find the cost of each chair and that of each table. Okay, so let the cost of each chair be X and that of each table be Y. Okay. So if there is 8 chairs and 5 tables, so cost of 8 chair will be 8 into X. Correct? So each chair cost is X. So for 8 chairs, it will be 8 into X. And for each table, it is Y. So for 5 tables, cost will be 5 into Y. Together, it is 10,500. This is the first equation. Now, 5 chairs cost will be 5x and 3 tables cost will be 3y. The together, it is equal to 6,450. Second equation. Now, solve for x and y. Solve for x and y. So, what you can do, you want to do the elimination method, do the elimination method here. So, multiply the first equation. Okay. Multiply the first equation by 3. 5 3s are 15 you will get. Here, the second equation multiply by 5. Whenever you are multiplying each element, you have to multiply. Okay. So 8 3s are 24. 8 into 3 is 24. So 24x plus 5 3s are 15y is equal to 10,500 into 3. 10,500 into 3. That is 31,500. Again, multiply with 5, second equation. No, not required. Only when you are finding the ratio, you should not do mistake. That's why we do that. Okay. Next one, 5 5s are 25x plus 5 3s are 15. 15y is equal to 5 into 6450 into 5. How much you will get? 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 4s are 20, 22. 6 5s are 30, 32. So you will get 32,250. Okay. Now, this is 15y and 15y, same numbers are there. If you add, it will become 30. So change the sign. 24 minus 25, what you will get? It is minus x, correct? So minus x, this is 0, that is equal to minus 32,250 minus 31,500. It will be 750. Since the bigger number is minus, so it is minus 750 or x is equal to 750. Okay. Now substitute the value of x in any of the equation. So you can take the second one, 5x plus 3y is equal to 6450. So I will consider 5x plus 3y is equal to 6450. Okay. So what you will get, x is equal to 750, 5 into 750 plus 3y is equal to 6450, or 3y is equal to 6450. Okay. 6450 minus the 750 into 5. How much you will get? 750 into 5? 3750. Okay. So what is y value? Y is equal to 900. Okay. Y is equal to 900. So elimination method, if anyone having doubt, you can clarify. No. A two digit number is such that the product of its digits is 14 if 45 is added to the number the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Okay. Find the number. So a two-digit number is such that the product of the digits is correct. What you told? Product of the digits is x into y. So that is equal to 14. If 45 is added to the number. So what is
y minus x is 5?
Repeat.
Y minus x is 5 equal to 5.
Okay. 45 is added to the number. Number will be what? 10x plus y is the number. For that, if 45 is added to the number for this, if you add 45, the digits will interchange. Okay. 10x plus y is equal to 45. So that is equal to the digit interchange their places. That is 10y plus x. That is 10y plus x. Okay, when it interchange, it will become 10 into y plus x. So 10y plus x. So what you will get here? 10x, shift these numbers now. 10x minus x plus y minus 10y is equal to minus 45. So 10x minus x is 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 45. This is okay. Now you can divide by 9 because each number I can divide by 9. It is divisible by 9. So when I divide by 9, what I will get? Yeah, x minus y is equal to minus 5. So it is minus 5. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. You can use substitution method only. Anyway, x into y is 14 is there, right? So the product of two digits, the two-digit number is such that product of its digits is 14. So x into y is 14. So I can write instead of x, I can write it as 14 by y. So because here substitution is easy, you can put that. Instead of x, I can write it as 14 by y minus y is equal to minus 15. Okay. Okay. I think you will get quadratic equation, no? If I put directly the substitution method. Okay, try elimination method only. Anyway, you can do it. Try. What did you do? Elimination method. You can't do it. Okay, you can do this way. If I take the LCM, you will get 14 minus y square is equal to minus 5. 14 minus y square is equal to minus 5y. So I want plus y square. So I will shift to the other side. Y square minus 5y. Okay. Minus 14 is equal to 0. Then middle term splitting, you will get the answer. Do this. So I will shift everything to the RHS. So 14 will become minus 14 minus y square. If I'm shifting to the other side, it will become plus y square minus 5y is equal to 0. So that is why y square minus 5y minus 14 will be equal to 0. Everything I'm shifting to the RHS, even the y square value and the 14. So we have y square minus 5y minus 14 is equal to 0. Minus 14 y square. I can split into 14 is what? 7 into 2. So I will take minus 7y plus 2y. Okay. So y square minus 7y plus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0. Y I can take common here. So y minus 7 plus 2 I can take common here. Y minus 7 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 7 or y is equal to minus 2. So we'll take the positive number, y is equal to 7. And what we have, x into y is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 by y, or x is equal to 14 by 7, x is equal to 0. Negative. They have not told it as a negative number, right? So always take the positive number. Okay. So x is equal to 2. The number is so number will be 27 because the tens place we have taken as x, ones place we have taken as 7. So 2 into 10 plus 7, that is 27. Okay.
Ma'am, why do we get two values of y?
Because we get a quadratic equation. Many times we will get the whenever we get a quadratic equation, we will get the two values. So sometimes both are positive. You can take any one and try. Okay, whenever one number is negative, take the positive one. Find the four angles. Find the four angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral ABCD in which angle A is equal to 2x minus 1 degree. Angle B is equal to y plus 5 degree. Angle C is equal to 2y plus 15 degree. And angle D is equal to 4x minus 7. Okay. So this is the given question. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Anyhow, but it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. A, B, C, D. It's a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, A, B, C, D, you can take it in a continuous manner like this. A, B, C, D. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, frame two equations and do that. So, what is the condition for cyclic quadrilateral? Kiara? That is like for all quadrilaterals, that is there. Correct. Other than that, Opposite angles are equal to 180 degree. Whenever it's a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So opposite angles will be A and C. And the other one is B and D. Okay. So angle A plus angle C. Okay. Write down that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Whenever it's a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles will be equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. So, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So, angle A is what? 2x minus 1. Okay. Plus angle C is 2y plus 15. So, this should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So, 2x plus 2y, 15 minus 1 is 14. Okay. 14, if you shift to the other side, it is 180 minus 14. So you will get 2x plus 2y, 180 minus 14, that is 166. Each number is divisible by 2, so I can divide by 2 here. Okay. So, first equation is x plus y is equal to 83. Similarly, B and D are the other opposite angles. So, they are also, sum is also equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Angle B is y plus 5. Angle D is 4x minus 7. So, that is also equal to 180 degrees. So, 4x plus y is equal to 180. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. When it goes to the other side, it will become plus 2. So 4x plus y is equal to 182. Second equation. Now solve for x and y. Solve for x and y and tell me the answer. Good. X is equal to 33. You will get x is equal to 33. Y is equal to 50. So we got x and y. Now you have to calculate all the angles. Angle A is what? 2x minus 1. That is 2 into 33. 66 minus 1, it is 65. First angle. Okay. So angle A is 2x minus 1. So angle A is equal to 2 into 33 minus 1. So angle A is 65. Angle B is equal to 5 plus 5. So angle B is equal to 55. Now angle C, 2y plus 15. 2 into y is 100, 100 plus 50. Yeah, 115. Then angle D, 4x minus 7. So that is equal to 4 into 33 minus 7. So we will get it as 125. This is also exam question. This is 2009 question. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart. Write this important question. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. one car starts from A and another from B at the same time. At the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction, at different speeds, at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? Okay, this is a question. So just state, let the speed of car A be x and speed of car B be y. Now read the question once. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. Okay, there is one place A and the other B. So they are 100 kilometers apart. One car starts from A. So one car starts from A. The other starts from B. They both move in the same direction. That is, think they are moving in the same direction. Okay. One car starts from A, the other from B. Both move in the same. If the car travels in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. So car A is also moving in this direction and car B is also moving in this direction. So they meet at some point here. Now after 5 hours, they meet at that point. So what is the speed of car A and car B? And another condition what is given, if they travel each other in the opposite direction, okay, towards each other. That means in the second condition, car A is moving in this direction, okay, car B is moving in the opposite direction. Now they will meet here. Car A is moving in this direction, car B is moving in the opposite direction. Now they will meet after 1 hour. Here they will meet after 5 hours. So what is the speed of car A and car B? Understood? This is exam question only. Okay. So this is how they give one of the questions I'm giving. So again, I repeat, see, distance between A and B is 100 kilometers. Car A is moving in this direction and car B is also moving in the same direction. So if they are moving in the same direction, they will meet after 5 hours. But if they are moving in the opposite direction, then they will meet in 1 hour. In the first condition, the car A speed will be more than B. Okay, correct now. Why? Because if the A has to meet at the same point means car A has to travel faster than B. And car A has to travel a distance of 400 kilometers more than B. In the first condition, car A has to travel a distance of 100 kilometers more than B. Correct? So, what is distance? We have distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Okay. So, distance traveled by the car A will be how much? Speed we have taken as x. And the time to what it travels is 5. So, it is 5x. Okay. Understood? Understood or not? Didn't understand? See, car A is correct. So what is the distance travel? We don't know. He has not given the distance, so we will take speed into time. We have considered the speed of car A is x. Okay, and it will travel 5 hours because both will start at the same time. After 5 hours, they will meet. So 5 into x is the distance traveled by car A. Understood? Huh. Now about car B. Car B, how much distance it will travel? Speed of that is y. And here B also will travel 5 hours because they start at the same time. So it will travel 5. Okay. So distance traveled by A is 5x. Distance traveled B is 5y. Okay. Now A will travel 100 kilometers more than B, then only it can meet. Correct? A will travel 100 kilometers more than B, then only it can meet, right? So dA minus dB is equal to 100. Distance travel, correct? No, see, distance traveled by A, I think it travels 500 kilometers. Then B would have traveled 400 only, no? Because A has to travel 400 kilometers more than B, then only it can meet. Correct, no? So dA minus dB is 100. That is 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. First equation, write down this. This is also exam question only, okay? So dA minus dB is equal to 500. So dA is 5x, dB is 5y, that is equal to 100. Divide by 5, every element. So what you will get, x minus y is equal to 20. This is the first equation. You can keep it as it is, but in the exam you don't have that much time. No, it will be easier if you simplify that. That is the only reason we will do it. If you keep the direct equation also, we will get the answer. Okay. Since I can divide every element here, it is divisible. That's why I'm dividing. That's it. Okay. Next step. In the second case, this is A and B. So if car A and car B has to meet somewhere, because car A is moving in this direction, car B is moving in the opposite direction, and they both start at the same time. After 1 hour, they will meet. So distance traveled by A is this much, dA. Distance traveled B is this, dB. So dA plus dB should be equal to 100, then only they will meet. Correct? Here, see, the total distance between A and B is 100 kilometers. A is moving in this direction, B in the opposite direction. So, if they meet somewhere after 1 hour at some point, then total distance traveled by A and B together it should be 100 kilometers. Then only they will meet. Correct? That is, dA plus dB in this case is equal to 100 kilometers. Okay. Now, what is dA traveled in this case? dA has traveled, see here, after 1 hour they will meet. Distance is what? Speed into time. So, distance speed is x and time here it will travel for 1 hour. So, 1. So, dA is equal to x. Okay. Now, what about dB? Distance traveled by car B. So, here, yeah, y into 1. So, dB is equal to y. So x plus y is equal to 100. Second equation. Now solve for x. Okay. So 2x is equal to 120. X is equal to 60. So x plus y is 100. Y is equal to 100 minus x. So y is equal to 40. Speed of car A is 60. Speed of car Y is 40. X plus y is equal to correct. So the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of digits is 99. So to let the two-digit number be 10x plus y. Okay. So it's a two-digit number. So in the tens place it is x, ones place it is y. So it is 10x plus y is the two-digit number. By reversing its order, okay, what you will get? The reversing the order of digits. Okay, so number will become 10y plus x. If this, for example, we have 54 is the number, reversing the order, it becomes 45. Like that. 54 means 10x plus y. Okay, 10 into 5 plus y. Here 45, 10 into 4 plus y. So 10x plus y, reversing the order will become 10y plus x. Okay, reversing the order of the digits, it is 10y plus x. Now, the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order is 99. So, 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 99. Okay, so 11x plus 11y is equal to 99. So, I can divide by 11. You will get x plus y is equal to 9. First equation. Okay, if the digits differ by 3, so that means x minus y is equal to 3. Second equation. Now solve for x and y. Now add them. 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. Okay. Now x minus y is 3. So 6 minus y is 3 or y is equal. So what is the number now? What is the number? Huh? 6 and 3, no? 10x plus y means? What is the number? This number. 63. 10 is 6. So 10 into 6, 60 plus 3, 63 is the number. Understood? So the number is 60. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.